Hello again, this is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. This is another test, Polysan test. I'm going to make a few comments regarding what we're seeing here. We're having a positive Polysan reaction on Polysan E, Polysan T, Polysan R, Polysan K, and Polysan M. So if we take, for example, Polysan E, Polysan E is related to syphilis or all kinds of toxins that have been inherited. Infertility, for example, kidney problems, etc. Now we can talk about Polysan T. We're also having a positive reaction. Polysan T is related to tuberculosis, migraines, arthritis, rheumatisms, gout, etc. Next, we have Polysan R. We have a positive reaction here as well. And positive Polysan reaction on Polysan R means rheumatism, arthritis, skin problems, allergies, uric acid levels, etc.